Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be starting on a new series where I'm going to be going from 500k to 100 million. So before the video starts, I'm doing a giveaway on this kelp farm, and I'm also giving away 30 million. So the only thing you need to do to win the 30 million and this kelp farm is to comment your Discord username down in the comments and subscribe and like, and I'm going to be choosing a winner before the next video. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I just RTP'd to this random place, so now I'm gonna be trying to find a safe place to build my farm, so see ya when I find the spot. Okay, so I just found this place. I just think I'm gonna be building my farm right here someplace, so I'm just gonna be mining down now. Okay, I just found this place. I think I'm just gonna be building my first farm right here, since it's just gonna be a starter farm, so I don't need something really safe. So I'm just gonna be blocking this off and building a small farm right here. So yeah, see you when I'm done. Okay, so I'm done mining out this spot. I'm thinking about just building like a small bamboo farm right here, and trying to make a little profit so we can move on to a bigger farm. So in every video I will be making a new and bigger farm. So in this video I'm going to be making a bamboo farm. So let's get into building. Okay, so I just made the bamboo farm, and yeah, it's an epic fail. It doesn't work, so I think I'm just gonna call it for this video and be finding a better method to make money in next video. This is just to make sure you don't forget it. Remember to write your Discord username down in the comments, so you have a chance to be winning this kelp farm and 30 million. See you in the next video.